Hi, today we're going to look at displaying HTML content saved in the database in Vue. Okay, so when you go to the database, I'll just go to my database. You can see that I'm having HTML content here. Okay, so you can see the p tag and the rest. All right, so how do I display this HTML as normal text in Vue? That's what we're going to talk about today, and let's start. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new topic here because this will be important for my other video. So I'm going to go to my courses, okay, and then I create a new course. So the course is going to be maybe gymnastics, and then the short name for the course maybe is GMNS. I don't know, XC, and then the ID GMN101, just, and then I can add the summary for the course. It may not be relevant for this class. And then when does the course start? Maybe 25th, and then it's going to end 30th. It will take 1 week. And then I'm going to add it to the course category of sports. Okay, then I submit the course. All right, so I have the gymnastics here, so I'm going to go to the details of the course. Then I have the details of the course. Of course, this is not a beautiful UI, but we can start with it. So here I can edit the course of whatever content I want to add, and then here I can create the course content. So under the course content, I have the ability to create a topic. So I'm going to create a topic, maybe top swing. Top swing is going to be the topic name, and then I create that topic. Great. So when I go again to the course content, I can modify now items under this topic, which is called top swing. All right. So I'm going to go to create content. Now, in my creation, here is supposed to be a video. Okay. So which means I can add the video URL here, and then I can add the content to that item. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go and look for lorem ipsum content. So lorem ipsum text. Great. So I'll just grab any lorem ipsum. Okay. And then I copy that. So, all right, sorry. So I have to go back to my item here. And then I'm going to maybe put a title. Maybe how to swing in the sky. Okay, I'll make this bold. And then I can also increase the size to maybe heading 2. And then let me press enter. So I'll relieve the boldness. And then I just paste. Then I'm going to paste an image on the inside. All right, so I'll just go and let me look for freepix.com. And then I'm going to type something concerning gymnastics. All right, gymnastics. I'll look for this, so I'll just click on it. Then I right click and I choose to copy the image address because I want to pick it from web. All right, so I'm going to come and then I look to my editor, then I look for image, and then I paste the URL of that image. All right, so if I click here, the image is loaded. I can work on the size. Maybe that won't be bad. Then I paste. Then I can go ahead and add more lorem ipsum. And then you say maybe let the title be shoulder roll. Shoulder roll, maybe. And then I bold that. I'm also going to give it a heading of 3, maybe. Then I can add more text. Blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to update so that it updates my content, and you can see it has saved this content. If I delete any of the text, of course, it will update. All right, so the course is gymnastics here. So if I go ahead to the database, you're going to see that what is saved, let me refresh here. All right, so what is saved is HTML from the text editor. If I choose to edit, you can see it's HTML, and here is our image. It is set as a paragraph. All right, so how do I display this content in Vue? All right, so I have a Vue project here that I'm working on. And then since we have courses here, so let me just come here and refresh. So this use of mine, John, when you go to courses, we have all courses and gymnastics is here. It wasn't there before, like you've seen before I refreshed. And in my courses, John does not have gymnastics. So I have to go to John and it clicks to enroll. Okay. So if I come back here and I go to the dashboard, I refresh. Okay, I've not worked so much onto that, many of those parts. And I come back to courses. Under my courses, John can now attend gymnastics. So when you click on gymnastics right now, it's empty. I want the topics to be here and then the other content to be here. All right, so let me just go ahead here and add maybe more topics under the courses. Of course, I've not created a back button. So let me go under gymnastics and I add more topics. So I'm going to create a topic and I call it maybe topic 2. Okay, so I have topic 2 here. Then I'm going to create another topic and I call it topic 3. All right, so which means I have 3 topics. Now I want to display all those 3 topics here now. If you want to go into details of how I created this e-learning system, just subscribe. Anytime I'm going to be starting with Vue.js, then I create a full topic of a full e-learning system for maybe kindergarten kids. That e-learning system will have games, matching items. All right, so I'm going to go ahead to my code. I've used Vuex here, okay? But what I'm going to do, I want to get content. So I'm just going to I commented this so that I do not swerve away from what I had already created. Okay, so I'm going to do this. So I already have, by the way, I already have an item to get content here, okay? So I already have in the data return a course content, okay? So what I'm going to do, maybe first let me do a console log, console.log, okay? I just want to shift my microphone here. Console.log, okay? And inside, now I'm picking data from the API, okay? I want to get response dot data, okay? So this is kind of some intermediate video. You must know how to deal with Vue. All right, so I'm going to go and refresh here. So I'll first click on the dashboard, refresh, and then I go to gymnastics and I choose to attend. Okay, I don't have the data displayed here. All right, so since I've done a console log, okay, when you come to the console here, we have now the topics that lie and their IDs that lie under those. And you can see, for example, here, the topic here, the content of the topic is there, how to swing, and then the topic name is here, and then when it was updated and the video is still null because I didn't add a video, and if it's visible, not visible. All right, so I'm going to do a this dot course content will be equal to response dot data. All right, so I save. All right, so one other thing I want to mention is that it is done on the mounting. So what I do, I created this method, okay, get topic, and then the get topic method is being now referenced here the moment the item is mounted, the moment the screen is mounted, the page. So I've done that. Let's come to the dashboard here and then we refresh. All right, so we go to courses and we choose to attend, and you can see that I'm getting all the items that are inside this. Now, I have an issue. I have an array here, okay? I don't want this array to display, first of all, because I just need what is in the brackets here, not in the array brackets. All right, so how do I make sure that I display what is in the brackets here? So this is an array, and I'm going to loop the content within the array because I have different topics and the topic items. All right, so to do that, what we're going to do, we're going to have to loop and close the brackets. So we're going to do a v-for. So I'll come back here. Okay, then I come to my content and I do a v-for. So one of the things I need to do, I think I need to make this plural. So course contents. All right, so I'll do a v-for. And then which will equal to, and then in brackets, I need to have course contents. So course content, okay, the singular, and then the index, okay, so that is going to hold the key in, it's going to hold the looping key, the index. So in course contents. Great. So what it is missing is the key, so I'll give it a key, and that key will carry the index. All right, so I should be able to see something. Let me come back. Click on my dashboard, refresh. Then come back, click on courses, choose to attend, and it's empty. And I think I know the reason why. Because down here, this is course content. So this is supposed to reference to course contents in the data. Great, so let me go back and click on the dashboard, refresh, and then click on courses, and I choose to attend. There we go, we've lost the brackets of the array. So we have the items now. So we have topic 1, which is topic swing. We have topic 2, and then topic 3. All right, so we want to display now this. Okay, so which means what we're going to do, so we want to display each of them, okay? So this can be course content.id. So let's first display the ID. Great. If we come back here, click on the dashboard, refresh, and then click on the courses. Of course, I haven't worked on the refreshment yet. So we have the IDs of those courses, which means this can be now course topic name, okay, topic name, and then also course content. That is the content of that particular course, topic content. Okay, so let me save. Then I come back to my dashboard, refresh. Then I click on courses. I choose to attend gymnastics as usual. So we have the topic, and then, but you can see we still have HTML here. And then our image is not displaying, it's inside here in the HTML. All right, so how do we make it display? That's when we come in with our v-HTML. So v-HTML, v-HTML, great. So we're going to put in the, let's begin with the course content, maybe. Just course content, and then we put it in here, which means we no longer need the blade here. Save. Okay, I'm calling it blade because I'm coming in from the Laravel side of Vue. So I'll click on the dashboard, refresh. Great, and then I click on courses. I choose to attend gymnastics, and there we are. We have our topic content here. So the rest of the content is not displaying because it's null, otherwise it would have looped. However, we want also the topic name to show. Okay, so just do that. And I can leave this empty because already the loop is considering everything. So I'll add that. Of course, I have a warning sign, and this is JavaScript, so I'll add a plus sign. So we're going to have now the topic and then the content of the topic. So I'll have to refresh here and then click on courses, click to attend, and there we have our topic, which is swing, and then other topics are null. So I know with the if, you can consider making sure it doesn't display null here. And right now we are displaying our HTML content from the database to Vue direct. All right, so watch out for my other videos concerning Vue JS. There's a lot to learn. What I do projects. And then also do not forget to subscribe and like. That's a call to action. Do not forget to donate. If you want to donate, the link is down there in the description. You just go to buymeacoffee.com and then you can donate $8 for me. They could be 5, 15, or 2. And then lastly, watch out for another video where I'm going to create a custom table of contents where someone can click here on the topic and then the actual course content that goes to the topic displays here. All right, watch out for that video. I think you can look for it right now because I'm very sure I've done it and it's there. All right, thank you so much for subscribing and liking. Remember, we need to beat the YouTube algorithm. So if this video is very helpful for you, it should be suggested to other people depending on the likes and the views. Welcome.